In this very short video, I want to tell you something and show you something about fabric mirroring. And if you wonder what is fabric mirroring, it's actually a way to bring the data from one source into Fabric, like all of it. So if we are in our Fabric workspace and we click on new item, we get these options if we search for mirroring. We can mirror an Azure Cosmos DB, database, Databricks, we can mirror Snowflake, SQL Server. So there's like a lot that we can mirror. And it's important to know you're not loading the data into Fabric, but you mirror it and it's always up to date. So how do you do it? You go to your Fabric workspace, you select mirroring, you select one of these options, and then Fabric will ask you for the connection, and then you connect, and there you are. If we look at this approach, this goes against data minimalization because you get everything and you probably don't need everything. So before doing this, you should really ask yourself, do I need all my data in Fabric? Because in some cases, a better option might be to only bring in what you really need using a copy activity, data flow Gen 2, if you want a visual approach, which also gives you more control. So is mirroring useful? Absolutely, because it's super fast. You saw we have a lot of options there. But is it always the best option? Probably not. So really think about it. Do I really need everything? And if you now think, well, this explanation was a little bit fast, or I really want to see how you can do this, I'm creating these videos in collaboration with Geitze, and he's writing blog posts. And he wrote an excellent blog post about this with screenshots where you can see step by step how to do this. So make sure to also have a look. I will put the link in the description.